What's up everybody, Eric here with Total Roofing and Construction. We have multiple TRC booths here because we wanted to support a community initiative that is bringing together collectors, hobbyists, and local businesses in our community. As the #1 exterior home contractor, as voted by you, the community, we should have a presence at this show to be able to help you out with any of your exterior projects that you might be thinking about or planning. It's a really unique event in the way that it's able to fuse local businesses and people who have a passion for collecting and hobbies. So yeah.